So this is how you can cancel one-click pay on Temu. Let's open up the app and then simply tap on the U button at the bottom middle of the screen. Now at the top right, there is this hexagon looking shape. This is our settings button. So tap on payment methods. And since I don't have a credit or debit card, it's not going to show me the one-click pay option. And also I haven't ordered anything. But if you do have the one-click pay option available and it's enabled, you can simply tap on it and tap on edit and then cancel one-click pay. It's actually that simple. Once again, all you have to do is simply tap on this shape at the top right corner of the screen, tap on your payment methods, and then find the button that says one click pay. You can go on ahead and edit that, and then tap on cancel one click pay. Easy, right? After a few seconds, it's going to cancel one click pay for you, and you won't have to worry about that thing anymore. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.